literally. I'm not as cool as Dr. Quarks and have like music, I just have my chaos. Alright, we're gonna start bending that down. Now I have red, green, yellow, and clear. Which gummy bear should we put in? Who thinks red? Who thinks red? Red! Who thinks yellow? Who thinks clear? Wow! Who thinks green? Alright, clear it is. 2 for 2 today with the clear one. Alright, it's almost there. Can you see how it's changed colours? It's now colourless. It's also very hot. Alright, beautiful. Now, this is your fault. This is what happens when you eat too many lollies. Can everyone say, bye gummy bear? 3, 2, 1. What colour is the fire? A pinky purple. What colour was the gummy bear we put in? Ooh, extra boost. How cool is that?